What did you see? A ray of smart light? Or flashing neon from traffic lights? Aura Smart Coffee Scale features our unique smart algorithm, which can precisely detect and analyze the changes in turbulence. This makes memorizing or calculating numbers a thing of the past. It is easy and interesting for you to brew good coffee. You can scan the QR code to download the brewing data. Aura uses intuitive visual indications to guide you through the coffee brewing process. When a green light appears, start pouring water. When a red light appears, stop pouring water. During the process, different indications are given to show you how to change turbulence. When the white indicator lights up, you can enjoy a rich-tasting pour-over coffee in the morning. Aura adopts a high-precision load cell, which allows you to precisely measure coffee beans. The 3 preset profiles of flavor help you brew coffee like a professional barista. Switch among the default recipes, even when the device isn't connected to your phone and the internet. You can also record your coffee brewing process in real time with an app. Create your own recipes. Share them with your friends via QR code. Let them try your brewing flavor, or even compare their brewing results to yours. With visual indications, Aura simplifies the usage of a coffee scale. It connects baristas with coffee lovers and allows everyone to easily brew a good cup of coffee. But now, we need your support to take it out of the laboratory, materialize the idea, and let Aura connect you and us in the world of coffee.